Okay guys, I'm here now in my room and I wanted to make a room tour right now, so follow me around and I'm showing you the whole room. And the first thing what I'm going to show you is the bathroom, because it's right here. And I need to turn this switch on. And as you can see, here is the mirror, the sink with some of my stuff, toilet paper and air refreshener, my toothbrush and my bag for all the toiletries. The toilet itself, well, what I found really interesting was this thing here, because I've seen this nowhere in Europe, but here in the Middle East or in many other countries in Asia or sometimes also in Africa, you find those, and they are actually not to clean up necessarily the toilet, but they're to clean your booty. And I've never used this before. Vote in the top right corner if you have this thing in your house. I would be really interested to see the results. Let's hang this back here. There's this ventilator which drains the air out of the bathroom because there is no window. I actually got here a bathtub, but there is no thing in order to keep the water inside. It just flows away, which is a little bit sad. And here is the shower. This tub shower doesn't work for some reason, I have no idea. I usually shower with this thing. And I got here my other stuff. Actually pretty decent and clean. I really like that one here. Here you can see another mirror, and here I got my jackets and my towels, a hair dryer. Then this is the area where I live. Here is the bed. Got my phone here, the remote control for the AC, a lamp. The AC is right up there. It's heating right now, that's why it's so warm in my room, and I really love it. Here's some of my shoes, a rug, and here I got my other stuff which I prepared in order to clean out the room. Before it was a whole mess because I was so sick. Now I'm feeling a lot better. The TV with a cable TV box from Yes. This is a really nice picture of the Times Square. I really like that one. This is like the front desk, and as you can see, like, it has two bar chairs, and here I got some of my other stuff like my tablet, my medication, my glasses. And wait, what did you have lost here? Last time you were in Greece in the bathroom, and now you're here on the desk. Well, I better leave you like here, because never mind. Then I got here my camera stuff. I got here the charger and my gimbal, the gimbal is pretty new. I used it the first time in my vlog Freedom. Check it out if you haven't done it so far, in top right corner. This is the wardrobe, and here's also a lamp. I'm going to open up, because here the stuff which is hanged up is already used. So this is my 4th day now in Israel, and here below I got the other stuff what I'm still able to wear, which are clean. I close it again because there's nothing special inside. And here I got a map of Tel Aviv, really convenient. And as you can see, it was raining before, and about now the sun is back again. And this is my view. Here are also my keys, because without them I would be totally lost and could not do anything. Well, it's time for me to hit the road and go to Nahariya. See you in the car.
Nahariya is quite far away, around 120 kilometers by car, so with the traffic included you need around 1.5 hours to get there from Tel Aviv. As you might remember from my obsession with Israel, I'm going to drive now on the Kvish Hachof.
So guys, as you can see, I'm here in an apartment of a friend of mine, and actually I really like it here. It looks like a really cool place and so on, but I don't know, where's my friend? Hey, yo, Ofir, where are you?
What?
Oh my god, oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh, what? Oh my god, this dude is insane.
I went together with my two friends Ofir and Ben to a nice ice cafe and had there some really nice and expensive ice cream, which costed me for 2 scoops 21 shekels. After that we went together to some nice bar and played some pool together.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
כמו שאני מבין, דיברתי עם אור מהחשמלאי, ואור מהחשמלאי רמקול אמור לשבת.
We all needed a new haircut, so we went to Ofir's favorite barbershop in Nahariya. The dude who owns it is Eran Malka, and he makes really awesome haircuts, and we only paid 50 shekels each. In Switzerland I have to pay at least 2.5 times the price than the one here in Israel for a semi-decent haircut.
Ben looks hot now. Ya maniac! Guys, as you can see, this, bruh. This is a shawarma. I've never had one before, and I'm going to try it the first time. Typical Israeli fast food snack, and I hope it will be tasty. It's great. Ofir, do you like your shawarma?
Yeah, of course.
Nice.
We decided to leave Nahariya and made our way back south. We drove through the city of Haifa, one of the cities I originally planned to visit, but because of the weather sucked, I decided not to visit it, as it was not worth it. However, Ofir made some really cool footage out of the window for you to see how Haifa looks like.
So guys, as you can see, this is a playground, park, whatever. I'm here in Petah Tikva, and I'm here with the guys making some barbecue. This is Ori. There you see my two mates, Ben and Ofir from before. The dude over there. This is Nadav on the barbecue, or as you can call it in Hebrew, mangal. And right here, that dude over there, this is my bro Yarin.
Hi.
Yeah, now we're eating some barbecue. It's a little bit cold outside. We are enjoying ourselves here, enjoying the time, because while eating in restaurants, when you can make nice fireplace and then just make your own barbecue out in the park with a few mates. Yeah, got some nice chicken, got some nice shish kebab. Really good stuff. That's the shish kebab. Gonna see how it tastes like. Looks like this. Oh wait, let me go for the other side because the light sucks. It looks burnt, but my dear friend Yarin, Yarin says it's good, so I'm going to try it out.
He said it was alive, actually.
Really?
Now it's good, no?
Actually, the shish kebab tastes different from what I know, what I think what shish kebab is, but it's actually not bad, yeah. What can you find in a park than these people? Like a few more guys here from Petah Tikva. Petah Tikva is like the best town. You will find always really nice people here. Am I right, guys? Yeah! Petah Tikva is the best city in all of Israel. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm now back in my apartment. I had a really good time in Petah Tikva, but now I'm a little bit tired and I really need to go to sleep because tomorrow another big day is waiting for me. This time I don't know what will go on, but I'm really looking forward for it. That was it from my side. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. Leave me a like if you came until this point so far. Also leave me a comment. I like to read some of your feedback, as feedback is always good. Make sure to hit the subscribe button in order not to miss any of my future videos. Want to stay in touch with me? My Instagram account and my Discord server are both linked in the description below. Stay tuned and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye!